Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently short in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting top down here. Here on the daily chart, we can see Bitcoin firmly being delivered to the sell side here. So bearish for an overall trade direction or a bias. And then here on the 1 hour chart, what I'm seeing here for some intraday bias is this area here. This is the London session. Come in a bit closer. This is the London session. Then we come into the New York AM session, and this New York AM session wicks above and closes inside of the London session, which would give me a short bias. In addition to that, the New York session closes below here, the London session low. This would also give me a short bias. So double confirmation of an intraday short bias here on Bitcoin on the 60-minute chart. Then if we come over here to the 5-minute chart, we can see Bitcoin here after putting in that price action of closing below in this following candle, which we're in right now. Bitcoin put in this candle here, or in this range here. Bitcoin put in a market structure shift here to the sell side with this candle closing below this short-term low. With that, I put in a limit order to take an entry at this level, but my limit order didn't trigger. Put in a higher limit order as price pulled back in this candle here, but was still not able to get a limit order to fire. So eventually on the third attempt, I was able to get a market order to trigger, but a bit lower here than my desired entry. So currently now facing some drawdown and a less than desirable entry, but an entry nonetheless. And we'll see if this holds with a stop loss at 9231.3, which covers the spread above this swing high here from the market structure shift level. With that in mind, with the daily being so bearish, I had to come back a ways here to find a target, and I'm going for the low of this fair value gap here. That is at 85,283.5. So this fair value gap with this buy side imbalance, sell side efficiency, I'm going for a test of the low of that level. And then for any potential initial targets, primarily I'm going to be looking at this area here, which is there's going to be sell side liquidity resting below yesterday's London session, and then there's some sell side liquidity resting just below that as well here, that comes in around the midnight New York time here. So there's going to be a liquidity pool in that area that I want to seek out with the price delivery algorithm if price is going to continue delivering here to the sell side. So getting some more pullback here, or price could be coming to sweep out this buy side liquidity here, so I may get swept out here as price never pulled back, and now we have just established a fair value gap here, or a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here on the 60-minute. So price may want to pull back into this area before returning back to the sell side. So I could get swept out of this position before price returns to the sell side, or this level may be respected and price may continue here. So with the amount of sell side delivery and displacement in this candle here, pullback would be anticipated, but some follow through may come before any kind of sincere or serious pullback. But we'll see how this position plays out. Right now, I would say it's a higher probability that I get stopped out with price pulling back this much here. But as price delivered here to the sell side, it did sweep out the sell side liquidity resting below this New York midnight area here, but it also closed below that area. So I would anticipate price to potentially find another target before returning back to the buy side for this internal range liquidity, for this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So I was looking for this position to take profits, as I mentioned, where this sell side liquidity is resting back here in this area between yesterday's low and the day before yesterday's low. So looking to sweep out that liquidity with the price delivery algorithm before taking some profits and then moving this stop back to the break even. So out of this position, out of the 0.017, I'd likely take 0.007 off at that level, and then let the remainder carry potentially to profit target or to lower levels, as I don't have a lower level here on the 60-minute chart. And then a trade from yesterday on the 60-minute chart, I did a video covering my entry on it, and then I was able to take profits here at these lower levels here. So I was able to take a short position yesterday during the trading day. And then you can see my history for today, only this position here at 10:23, and this is the position that I've just shown, and then this is yesterday. So yesterday took 2 losses yesterday for like minus maybe $11 here, and then what do we have here? 9 is 18 and 15, so that's that. 15. But yeah, doing this math in my head, or at least got distracted here. But what is that? 18 plus 15 here. That would be what's that? 8 and 5 is, leave a 3, 2, so like 33, I believe, it's dollars. I'm not doing math well at all today here, but I think I'm up. Or definitely up here profit-wise on the day for yesterday, and now getting a return to some sell-side delivery here in Bitcoin, as price is now below my entry price, and now headed back towards the initial profit target. Also, this level here, I don't know why I'm struggling with that with my calculators right here. Let's see how bad off on the math I was there. Yeah, okay, I was actually accurate. But sloppy. I wasn't a big fan of how I was taking profits down here. I initially had just 4 profit targets and was looking to take profit at my initial level, which was here, which was closer than I'd like, but it's valid for the correct PD array. And then I wanted to take profit here, but took these three earlier all out here when I didn't intend to. And then there's a level here and then this level. So if I were able to hold with my stop loss being back here at the break even, I'd still be in this, but this price action to the buy side here would have made me very, very uncomfortable. But all in all, with today's FOMC and Nvidia earnings coming out, I'm comfortable exiting my full position yesterday. And also I wanted to get some sleep and still stayed up longer than I wanted to, just to reach this level of profit taking. So I've never had a perfect trading day, but have definitely had some good trading days. So it's just making the best out of what you have to work with for that day, including today, wanting to get my entry better here, or at least having my limit order not trigger, and then having a second limit order not trigger, and then finally putting in a market order, but I could have put a market order in sooner once the first limit failed. I was just concerned if I put in that market order and then the limit order triggers. So a few things to sort out when it comes to technical issues, but that's trading. Some days you're going to run into some technical issues, but other than that, price is still delivering here overall to the sell side since this market structure shift here has been put in. So we'll see if price will continue to deliver to the sell side, and if I can take some profit and then move my stop to break even and see if there is any continuation in today's sell side delivery here. If you'd like to know more, you can visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together.